Warning. This game contains flashing lights and may trigger seizures for people with photosensitive epilepsy or whatever. Or epilepsy. Teardown is a work of fiction and is... Oh, never mind. Couldn't read that. Well, you could probably do it. Today. Disable all. I'm going to be checking out every single Slap Battles mod that I have. You have all the kill streaks, which are the, well, Brazil. Camera for, like, taking screenshots, that's different. Default hand, when you press E, it farts. Dice hand, completely randomized. The jet. That's a mod. That's also a mod. Overkill. Classic. That's the map we're gonna go to. Time stop. Also time stop. Train. Typewriter. Yeah, I'm gonna enable that. Just for the heck of it. I feel like there's one more that I'm missing. I guess I'll never know. The sound where I went, nah, it just sounds so weird. Nah, nah. Sound like a duck. Jeez. Global. Nope. Content. Alright, here we are. Cheerio, mate. Alright. Sledge. Spray can. Extinguisher. Dice. Ah, the E effects don't work. Overkill. Kill streak. That's copyright. Forgot. Kill streak 100. Jet. Uh-oh. Here it comes. Is the jet plane gonna come through or something? Oh, here it comes. Well, it worked. The inside's hollow. Bob was here. Oh my god. Classical Bob. Oh god. I know I can help with this. What? Why do I see? Oh, hi. Hi! I got extinguish. Okay. Just play some music. That's gonna burn it. Oh god, that's gonna burn it. Extinguish. That music is gonna annoy me. Yep, it's gonna annoy me. Don't have a bad day. Have an amazing day. Ow. No cloud. Nice. What? More fire? Oh my. What is this place made of? Grass? Jeez. Stop putting gasoline all over my grass. Oh, that's way too big of a fire. I don't think I can extinguish that. It's not working. Extinguish! Oh god, my lights are going out. I'm gonna restart. Train? No, bus. I forgot that's what the bus handed. It even left a track. Oh wait, does that mean train makes a? Oh, oh, it's even faster. I like the bus more. I like it. Pretty cool. I use that often. Yay, that's me. I need to make the text bigger. Comic. Let's be honest. Nobody likes Comic Sans, but I do. Close. Glad Penny 777. Yes. Yes. Heck is the time stopping? Oh, I know what I forgot to equip. 1 second. Let's re-equip. Oh wait, this is the place where you get chased by the attack helicopter. Yeah, I know this. Rocket Joyride moment. Huh? Huh? See what all these hands even do. So far, pretty cool. Yeah, that's randomized. Alright. Yeah, it seems a bit randomized. Let's get the jet hand out. I'm all over here. Come on out. There it is. Yeah, blast it down. Pretty nice. Let's get the train. Yo, train. Oh my! Came from the sky. There we go. Left my marking. No 50% off, just happy. Anyways. Boss! How about we do train here? What is it doing? Ah! Ah, jump scare. I get jump scared by the stupidest thing sometimes. Literally, that was my own train. Okay, that did literally nothing. Bus is better, let's be... Oh, this is the place of the fire. Yeah. Careful. This is the best. There's no cooldown too, so I could just go spam. Much powerful. Very nice. Kablam. It's good for getting rid of this specific. Hit me. Ah, close enough. Oh god, that's coming straight from my face. It hits close, like close enough, but not direct. Oh, look at this stupid train. That's not an actual train. You want to see a train? Yeah, that's uh, that's just there. Perfect. Get out of here. I slap car. Slap car. There we go. And then dice. Oh jeez. Why does it go backwards? That's not good. What are we gonna do with this? Go up. Go up. Go to Brazil, for all I care. Get out of here. Bye-bye. Go to Brazil. Boom! I'm gonna send you to Africa. And this crate is gonna be shipped to your house. Imagine some guy just got like a random Amazon delivery. What? Oh my god, there's a right click ability. So I might have been doing it all wrong. There's a right click ability apparently. Get out of here. Not my car. Fire. Heh. Meh, meh. There you go. Destroy fire with the shotgun. Yep, see? Works every time. My current emotion. Anyways. Dang! Busted right through it. I love the buzz hand. In here and in the other games. On train? Yes, on train. On floor. On everything. I put that on everything. Stupid ads. Frickin'. I am not popular enough to do ads. Sorry, mate. Except for the star videos, but that's YouTube's job. Sorry, not mine. Oh! I don't like this. Thanks. Have a good day. Here, let's see other mods. Oh, we're here. And we're on to destruction. What shall I use first? There's so many things. So here are some of the new things I got for you guys. Banana torch. Burn things. Grapple. Or banana grappling hook, but I call it my main grapple. It's just a yellow grappling hook, let's be honest. Pipe bomb, which is also a banana. Bomb, rocket launcher, jet. Sword! This is a new one, I've never used it before, but it looks fun. Doesn't do anything, though. Oh yeah, smoke gun. This is a test item. Doesn't work. Dual miniguns, very loud. We're gonna do that later. Meteor strike. This is also one of my favorites. See this? Well, no more. Come on out. Yep. Just like how the dinosaurs died. Anyways. Lava gun. You get the gig. Ray gun. This is also one of my favorites. This. What it does is you can go like that. But my favorite part is where you go. I'll show off every single like ability of all these items. I'm just showing off a bit of it. It's coming back. Ooh, yep, there it is. Oh wait, now we're all the way down here. 1 second, no, where were we? Yes, this. I've never actually used this fully, so if we go like that. And then we go like that. And if you hold click, yeah. And if you press E, yeah, you get the gig. Come on over, everything, with the vacuum cleaner. Oh god. And then the brrrr. There we go. Handgun. And then kaboom. Liquefy. This is a laggy one. Let's liquefy the tree. Oh god. Where is it? Vacuum cleaner. Clean it up. Yep, balloon. Causes floats. Magnetizer! Oh boy. So you take that thing to that thing. That to that. See, and they magnetize together. Go together. Thanos snap. This is also a very mesmerizing one, in my opinion. I mean, let's be honest, all of them are my favorite. I love these. Let's watch this disintegrate. We already use that. As you can see on my shoulder, we have a gas can. Adios, tree. To Neverland you go. Why is the ground doing it? No. Oh, I guess it's like the whole entire ground. Gas can. Yeah. Time to use a banana torch on it. Oh, yep, it's starting up. Here it goes. Yep. And we can add a little bit more, where is it? There it is. A little more gas on it. Just light it up a little bit more. Not too much. Not too much. Yeah, not too much. Rocket launcher. So, I don't think this does anything. Sword. You can block, I guess. This is also my first time using it. I'm gonna destroy you, tree. Ah, ga. Lady Gaga. Ah, ga. Hoo-ya! Anyways, smoke gun does absolutely nothing. Dual miniguns. You can use right click to do that one. You can do left click to do that one. This is a big one. Tesla coil, Russian Tesla coil. You do that. That's click, right click. Demolition on voxels. Q to do a thunder strike. And one of my personal favorites, the electric orb thing. It also slows down time for some reason. That's pretty cool. No, that was not an edit. That was actually it slowing down time. Meteor strike. Nope. Let's destroy the trampoline. Sorry, kids. Had to do it. Where is it? Oh, there it is! Ah! Ray gun. Just shoots. That's it. This is also a big one. Alt. Back. To the rigid follow. This is one where it follows you a bit easier. So you cannot avoid it. Come on back. Come on back. There it is. Oi! Yep. Now do another one. Gravity fall. Nope. Orbit. Yep. Yep, orbit. It orbits around you, and you do infinite, which causes a bunch of chaos. As you can see. Oh, that's loud. Restart. We were on this guy. Yeah. Ready. Next up, we got this one. I already showed you everything it does. I don't know why I'm showing you it again. Balloon. you can change the lift settings in the top left corner. You can see it going up and down. Let's change this all the way up and cut this tree. Magnetizer, we've seen everything at that. Alright, no, never mind. We screwed it up. Let's get out of here. Bye-bye! At this point, I was trying to find all the Q and E and like other keybinds for the items, which gets pretty boring pretty fast. So I'm just gonna skip to the part where I do chaos with meteors. Let's cause a lot of destruction now that we know what all these things do. Meteor strike. Where? I don't know. Maybe here on the castle. Yeah. Destruction on the castle! Oh, we do 3. One here, and one here. Nope, only 1, I guess. Well, it's coming fast. Oh, wait, nope, there's more. Oh, stay back! Oh, God. Oh, it's coming fast. Oh, God, that was faster than I thought. Where's another one? There should be a 3rd one. Oh, yeah, there it is. Oh, God. Oh, no. Huzzah! Just get out of here. I'll just go. Thanks. Don't have a good day. Have a great day. Ready. Oh, I can't get in here. Darn it. If only I had something like a meteor hit it. What's that? There is. And kaboom! Hey, would you look at that? I can get in here now. Alright, let's see. Oh, wrong way. Was that it? Just this? Unworth it. You know what I also don't like? This mountain. We need demolition on it. So, let's get the supply crew, also known as the meteors. Or spicy meatballs falling from the sky. 5. 5 of them, coming from the sky. Coming to help us out. Oh god, here it goes! Oh god! Oh no! Honey, I Shrunk the Room. We're doing it. Honey, I Shrunk the Room. It's a classic. If you don't have this, you're missing out. It's a really good map. It's a big, big room. For this guy, it's just a rock. A very destructive one at that. But for me, it's a meteor. A very destructive one at that. Here it comes. Sorry, mate, your computers suck. Get them out of here. I don't even know where they're coming from. Oh! Oh, jeez. Oh, God, there's another one. Are the computers okay? They're not there. Here, let me just get the smoke out of the way. Nope, they got absolutely eviscerated, or whatever the heck they say. I don't know how to English. No burger. No Big Mac. Get out of here. Oh God, stand back. Brace for impact! Big Mac, okay? Big Mac, it just looks like I got a huge bite taken out of it. I like salt, but I don't like pepper. Get the pepper out of here. I mean, I like pepper on some things, but not too much of it. Everyone puts too much pepper. No more pepper. Makes me salty, get it? Hey. Oh! Salt's also gone. Eh, karma. Let's be honest. The pepper lovers are gonna hate me for that. Alrighty. Let's see the destruction here. Hey, boy. Yeah, buddy. No, not towards me. Oh, wait, no, it's coming for the gate. Oh, jeez. Oh, God. Oh! It's still surprising every time it hits it. It's just so cool. Let's get jet strike. It's not even compared to the jet. Like, my days. Oh yeah, if you want to, you can download Teardown. It's like $12 on Steam, I guess. That's alright. Make sure you download Steam if you want to get mods, and go to like the workshop area inside of the menu. Come on out. Where are you at? Yeah, go ahead. Skedaddle at it while you're at it. Oh god, I'm gonna miss it. Boop. Did absolutely nothing. It's worse than a frickin' pipe bomb. What is this? This, dude. Look at this. We need a bus. We need bus. Where's bus? Wait, it's bus. It's bus time. Oh! Imagine that, just a random bus comes out and destroys your computer right in front of your eyes. Alright, let's see this. Overkill. Bye! What else? There goes your computer. Sorry, mate. Oh yeah, have your microphone while you're at it. Invisible man. Jeez. Hate that guy. Oh yeah, you want your keyboard too? I'm gonna give you your whole entire deck! Let's see what else we can do. Oh yeah, let's see one of them go through the creeper. Yeah, the train. Let's see a train do it. Back up! Oh! Oh! That's brutality. Oh, it's not a good joke. I'm sorry. Jeez. Overkill. Jeez, did absolutely nothing. I hate that chair. You know what? I hate the creeper. It's annoying. No, don't say it. Don't say it. Don't say, oh man, that's awful. That's an awful. That's a big no-no. I hate the chair. I hate the chair. Kill the chair. Stand back for impact. Stand by. That was some big destruction. Kill the creeper. Bye-bye. It's just... What's my main enemy? What is that? What the heck is an I don't like it. It be scaring me. Is that a cake? Oh, okay. Hope it's not a lie. This is a freezer? Oh my gosh, it's a freezer. They even put a cake in the freezer. I'm destroying the freezer. That's it. That's the final straw. Put an extinguisher on it as well. Just... Yeah! Get out of here. Time to spam it. Alright, here it goes. Oh no! Oh my gosh! Imagine this going on inside your house. Oh, that's loud. Average day. Completely. Oh my jeez. There's so much smoke. Let's go set off the smoke alarms. Oh god. Asthma. Look at that. Sword at creeper. Smart. Sword. Creeper. Oh god, I already exploded. Oh well, here goes. Walk up. An apple a day keeps the computer away. Oh wait, all the smoke's gone finally. The cake's on fire. All the soda is completely exploded. Let me see. Oh my gosh, look at it. That was really fun. We still haven't done the final finale though. Against the chair. I hate the chair. Get rid of it. We're done. Final finale time. Alright, back up, back up, back up. Alright, here goes. Oh my. Oh, it's white. It's literally white. Oh no. Oh, this is chaos. Look at it go. It's still going. How is it still going? There's more. Alright, sorry, I can't show you the aftermath. It's too laggy for my computer. But we are going to try to use it on, let's see here, the computer. Let's destroy a computer. Estoy no computer. Oi! They just... Estoy no computer in Spanish says I don't have a computer. I do have a computer. Jeez, I'm dumb. Oi! Me gusta Teardown. Yeah. No Terraria. No, I'm joking. Terraria fans are fine, but that Terraria tree is long gone. Unless it's just a random 8-bit tree, then yeah, that's details. Okay. I don't know every single 8-bit game. For the love of Hooly Bajooly, I used to call Teardown Minecraft. And I hope you guys like what you see on the news right now, because you won't see the news anymore.